Okay, round three of useless information. This one we're going to be addressing um, the shooting gallery and shooting gallery packs, and if you want to maybe approach stat boosts on a quote unquote budget or economical scale. So I've gone ahead and I've purchased the $5 shooting gallery pack for a whopping 10 coins. So we're going to look at the shooting gallery here. And I would argue that there is a trick to getting curiosity materials, but right now, the best deal per se for the shooting gallery is your coat of arms. So, how we're going to approach it is like this: we're going to go to our shooting gallery, we're going to go ahead and refresh everything, reset everything, and we're going to go down to coat of arms. And we're going to, unfortunately, it came up the way I wanted it to, so we're going to kind of refresh this. So if it populates like this, you have 85 banners. You don't want that. You don't want that. You want to refresh it until you have this. See at the top left, it says 40 refining materials, artisan materials, I believe they call them, and then two of the troop green coats. That's what we want. We want to make sure that these two are probably are going to be our lowest rewards. Okay, but I'm going to show you something else here too. While we're on the topic, curiosities. Depending on what you're looking for in curiosities, or in curiosity materials for that matter, you're going to be looking for. If you need copper, then this is not the method you want to use. And I still think they're going to come up with an update for shooting gallery and curiosities that's going to make it more cost effective. I don't think the cost effectiveness lies in curiosities via shooting gallery yet. If you're looking for ebony and copper, then this setup is going to be your best one, where you have 1 ebony essence and 10 copper essence. Or if you're desperate for copper, then the 5 and the 10. But we're going to go back to coat of arms, and we're going to get it so that our low reward is 40 and 2. And then we're going to go ahead and start. So here is the trick. It doesn't matter what one you click. Your percentage, your chance of percentage is going to be the same. So I just always click this one just because I'm a creature of habit. Okay, we got 40. That's the lowest reward. We expected that. Well, we should go to the next one, right? No. You're going to go ahead and reset targets. And you don't have to refresh it again, because it's always going to, when you reset targets, it's going to go back to the last arrangement you had. We're going to start again. We got 40 again. We're going to reset. And then we got 2. 2 green coats is worth twice what the 40 is worth. We're going to go ahead and reset again. And we got 40 again. We got 40 again. We got 2. We got 2. And we got 2. So what you're going to find is that I've experienced roughly half, probably closer to 45% of the time, I get the second best reward, or the second worst reward, versus the, let's call it the worst reward. Which means that I'm averaging approximately 60 artisan materials per coin. Well, 10 coins, that's 600 artisan materials. However, what we haven't experienced yet, we might for the next 2, is that occasionally you will get the third best, which is this blue refined coat of arms. And that's worth 120 artisan materials when disassembled. So you can, that average of 60 is probably closer to 70. And it may or may not happen for this last one, but it does happen probably 1 in 10 to 1 in 15 times. But you'll see that the frequency of getting the second best reward is pretty high. However, if you take all this stuff up and you refresh it until it's all just the coat stuff, or this is probably your best arrangement here. If you add all this up, and all the coins it takes. So it's what, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, or whatever. It's 1, 2, 4, 8. I don't recall. So you're guaranteeing those rewards, right? If you add up the coins, or add up the rewards and divide by the coins necessary to completely clear, your average is only gonna be 30. You're guaranteeing to lose money that way. You're guaranteed, even if you only get 40, they're gonna beat the average from doing it the other way. Guaranteeing it. So that's where your money is. That's the budget approach. Outside of course, your daily deals. So, until next time, here's useless information with your host, Mozart.